In my last video, I talked about the best 5 jobs that you can do right from the comfort of your home, remotely, and get well decently paid for it. In this video, I'm going to be telling you where you are going to be getting those jobs exactly, okay? So if you have not yet seen that video where I mentioned the best jobs that you're going to be doing right from home, kindly go through my previous videos where you check them out, okay? So let's dive right into today's video. So the number one legit site where you can get this job is called Upwork. What you have to do first is to go to your browser, type in Upwork. Once you type in Upwork, the site will pop up and you will see where they wrote sign up. You click on the sign up. Once the sign up page has opened up, what you have to do next is to input your email address and your password. After inputting them, they will send you a congratulatory message on your email address where you will be activating your Upwork account. So after activating your Upwork account, what you have to do next is to start filling out your personal details like your name, your job title, and the description of your job, like what you are going to be doing for your client. So from there, you start seeing other sections of the things that you are going to be filling out on that Upwork. You also be filling out your bank details where your client will be paying in your money, okay? So the second on my list is called Fiverr. Fiverr is similar to Upwork. You also go to your browser and type Fiverr. Once you type Fiverr, it will open up and you see where they ask you to also sign up. You sign up with your email and your password. After signing up, you'll be redirected to another page where you'll be filling out your details also. It's also similar to Upwork. You'll be filling out your name, your job title, your descriptions, your hobby, and every other thing. You'll also be writing the amount that you want your clients to be paying you, like the amount per dollar. If you want them to be paying you $10 per hour, if you want them to be paying you $20 per hour, any amount you wish. But I will advise you that as a beginner, you have to bring down the amount that your clients will be paying you so that you not scare them away, okay? Upwork is a freelancing site that is very easy for clients to see you. Seriously, the sites always push out their freelancers where clients will be able to see them easily whenever they are searching for someone who can handle a job for them. Some people used to write like $10 per hour, some people used to write $20, depending on the amount you wish your client to be paying you. But as a beginner, I will advise you to start with like $7 or $8 so that when a client sees it, they will be able to know that maybe this person is a new person and they will want to try you out. Once you start getting these jobs, you start having reviews from your clients. From there, people will start hiring you. And once people start hiring you, you will now raise your pay. I think it's better this way, okay? So the last one is called Indeed. This particular job site, I like it so much because it is not a job site that is so popular and people do not influx into this job site just like maybe other job site that is well known or other job site that you might be hearing about that is raving everywhere. This job site is a site that before any job is being posted there, the job is being verified, so you are so sure that as you are going to be applying on this job site, you'll be having an increased chance of getting employed, okay? So what you have to do on this job site is also go into your browser and type in Indeed. Once the page pops up, you also go to your sign up button, you click on it and also input your email address and your password to start creating your account. It's also the same step for other sites that I've just mentioned here. You fill out your informations and start applying for these jobs, all right? So which of these job sites are you going to be trying out? And also, I have other secret job sites that are not well known. And these job sites, you can apply from anywhere in the world, even if you're in the US, the UK, the Europe, UAE, in Africa, wherever you are located, you can apply to this job site. If you want me to share this secret job site with you, I want you to leave your message in the comment section. Let me know how many people will want me to share this secret job site with them, so that in my next video I would like to share this secret job site with you, okay? We have come to the end of this video. If you're interested in this kind of topic, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a new video, and give this video a huge thumbs up, okay? All right, I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.